Hello everyone, my name is Argon TV, and today we will be looking at the 125 trick. Once again, I know I'm saying this, but this is the 25 part of the 25, 50, 75, and 125 trick group. So make sure to watch those as I will be talking about those quite a bit. Thank you, and let's get started. So now let's look at the 125 trick. Now this one, I'm just going to give you the fraction straight away, which is 1,000 over 1,000, by the way. Fill it up. Now, the reason we're doing 1,000 over 8 is because that's the number where it's going to be the easiest to multiply by. And 8 on TMSA, they're always going to give you a number that's divisible by 8 most of the time. So now, let's look at a problem that will work with this. So let's do the number 125 times 64. So how you would write this is 1,000 over 8 times 64, which when this cancels out, it's 8. So 8 times 1,000 is 8,000. Fairly simple, like the other ones. Same method. Let's look at another one. Let's do the number 125 times 512. Once you get the answer, pause the video. Pause the video. Once you get the answer, come back. Okay, I'm assuming that you have now finished the problem. So let's look at it together. So we write this as 1,000 over 8. And I gave you a slightly challenging one, but you should know your cubes because all this is 8 cubed. So if you were to simplify this, that would be 1,000 times 64. So 64 times 1,000 is 64000. Now, we're probably thinking, what if you have a remainder, just like the other ones? Well, this one, the remainder is confusing. There's remainder 1, you add 125. If there's a remainder of 2, you add 250. If there's a remainder of 3, you add 375. If there's a remainder of 4, you add 500. If there's a remainder of 5, you add 625. If there is a remainder of 6, you add 750. And if there's a remainder of 7, you add 875. Now, those are all the remainders because if there's a remainder of 8, it's a new number. So now, let's look at the number 125 times 73. So, whenever we do this, we do 1,000 over 8 times 73. And you guys probably already caught it. This is 9, a remainder of 1. So you do a 9 times 1,000, which is 9,000, but you don't write it yet. Now you have to know the remainder of 1. Well, there's a remainder of 1, so you have to add something. You have to add 125. So in this scenario, you're going to do 9,000 plus 125, which is 9125. I'll write that out for you. You have the number 9,000, and you're adding a remainder of 1, which is 125. So the answer is 9125. Now, I'm going to give you guys a problem. See if you can solve it by yourselves. 125 times 95. Pause the video. Once you're done, come back. Okay, by now I'm assuming you're done. So let's take a look at this together. So you write 125 as 1,000 over 8 times 95. Now, whenever you simplify these two, this is going to be 11 remainder of 6, or 11 remainder of 7, excuse me. And so what you do is 11 times 1,000, which is 11,000, and you add a remainder of 7, which is 875. So let me write that out for you. 11,000, one extra 0, So you add 11,000. And then you have to, since there's a remainder of 7, you have to add 875. So this is going to be 11,875. So that's it for this trick video, my first video on this channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. These are just a few tricks that are handy dandy in the TMSCA test and also in general in math, especially whenever they give you a question with 25, 50, 75, or 125 with multiplication. You guys can now use this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.